In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unfollow someone on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So, let's get started. And first off, open up Facebook app. After that, if you find someone's post on your home feed and you don't really want to see post from that user in your Facebook feed, you can just go to your friend's profile, top at 3 dots, top at following. And then we can switch it from to file to unfollow. Once you unfollow a user, you'll stop seeing their post in your news feed. However, you'll still stay friends. You can also unfollow a user in a different way. To do that, go to menu, then go to friends. Select your friends, then show search for a user you would like to unfollow. And once you find that user, you can unfollow them by going to their profile, or by tapping at these 3 dots and select an unfollow. It says stop seeing posts, but stay friends. That's how you can easily unfollow users on Facebook.